Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block or allow pop-ups in Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Chrome browser, then click on this one menu icon. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar of the Chrome settings, select this one option, Privacy and Security. On the right, scroll down and click on this one site settings option. Again, scroll down and under content section, click on this one pop-ups and redirects. Here you can select this one option. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This will disable pop-ups on Chrome browser, and in case you want to enable the pop-ups, you can select this one option. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. In case you have disabled the pop-ups for all the websites and you want to allow a few websites, you can use this option, allow to send pop-ups and use redirects. Here click on this one add button, and now you can enter the site address you want to allow pop-ups, and then click on this one add button. To add more websites, again click on this one add button and enter your address, and then click on this one add button.